BarryTiger. Subscribe!
School bus goes to the car wash.
Sending the children to school safely is my duty and my mission as School Bus Betty. Oh gosh, is it an earthquake? Okay, kids, we've arrived at the school.
Oh no! I'm sorry, School Bus Betty. It's wrong to be drawing on the school bus. And we shouldn't litter in it either.
Right! I know who can help you.
Hello, this is Barry's repair station.
Hello, Super Mechanic Barry. School Bus Betty really needs your help.
No problem. Send her over quickly.
Hello, Super Mechanic Barry.
My gosh, you stink! This is an emergency. Let's give the school bus a wash. Oh my goodness! I've never seen a school bus as dirty as this.
We love being dirty!
Dear friends, let's get rid of these pesky bugs first.
Oh, thank goodness! It's all quiet inside now.
Oh, this gum in the seat is so sticky. Now let's dust the bus off with this brush. We'll use a cleaning rag to wipe off the stains and graffiti.
Wow, I feel so refreshed.
Now it's time to go to the car wash.
I wanted to get washed for a long time, but I get so busy at work. I can't see anything.
Wow! You're actually a pink school bus! And there's a strawberry logo on you.
That's why everyone calls me School Bus Betty.
Now, it's time to dry you off.
Wow! Will you look at me? I look great!
The cleaning is done. Dear friends, you're all such great mechanics.
Thank you for your help, Super Mechanic Barry. I am beautiful once again.
Huh?
School time is over. I need to pick up the kids from school. Goodbye.